Hi, my name is V.SHASHANK. Basically, I am from Kamaradi district of Telangana state. Recently, I have completed my bachelor's degree from B.SC Degree College in the stream of computer science. After my graduation, I have joined in Qspiders Punjagutta institution, where I have joined automation testing course. In this course, I have done manual testing, automation testing, SQL and core Java. During this course, my trainers has helped me a lot in the coding wise as well in the subject wise, where I am having doubts. Like Hemant sir, Nandini ma'am and Prem sir has helped me a lot to clear the mock interviews, and I have attended the presentations also, where I have good knowledge. I have gained good knowledge. After the completion of this mock interviews and grooming sessions, I have attended a company